If your Superbox channels suddenly stop working, don't panic. This issue pops up from time to time, and most of the fixes are simple. Start by checking whether the problem is on Superbox's end. Sometimes their servers experience temporary outages, especially in certain regions or with specific channel categories. The quickest way to confirm this is by visiting Superbox Facebook groups or browsing discussions on forums like Reddit. If you notice lots of users reporting the same issue at the same time, then it's most likely server maintenance. In that case, all you can really do is wait it out and try again later. If it doesn't appear to be a server problem, move on to your internet connection. Restart your router and your Superbox by unplugging both for a couple of minutes before plugging them back in. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection, which is almost always more stable for streaming. Live TV streaming needs at least 8 megabits per second, but closer to 15 megabits per second or more is ideal for smooth HD playback without freezing, buffering, or pixelation, especially during peak hours when networks get congested. If channels still won't load, you can perform a factory reset, but treat this as a last resort. From the home screen, go into Settings, open Device Preferences, and choose the Reset option. Confirm it and let the box reboot. Remember, this resets everything back to default, so you'll need to set up apps again afterward. If you've tried all the major fixes and nothing improves, reach out to Superbox support. Open a ticket on their official support page and describe the issue clearly. Mention when it started, what channels aren't working, and what steps you've already tried. This helps them troubleshoot faster. Also, avoid uninstalling any pre-installed apps because some are proprietary and cannot be re-downloaded if removed. Finally, check your device's placement. If the Superbox is inside a tight cabinet or stacked with other electronics, it may overheat. Overheating can cause channels to freeze or disappear. Give it space, make sure it has airflow, and wipe away dust if needed. Keeping the device cool alone can solve a surprising number of problems.